To make amends, understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase, to make amends. This phrase is not just about correcting a mistake but also carries a deeper meaning in interpersonal relationships. Let's dive in and understand how to use this phrase effectively in our daily conversations. To make amends means to do something to correct a mistake or to improve a situation where you have caused harm or offense. This phrase is often used in a context where someone is trying to repair a relationship or make up for a wrongdoing. It's not just about saying sorry. It's about taking actions that show your sincerity and commitment to resolving the issue. 1. Apologizing. After realizing his mistake, John wrote a heartfelt letter to make amends. 2. Offering compensation. The company made amends to the affected customers by offering refunds. 3. Rebuilding trust. She volunteered at the community center to make amends for her past actions. Each example shows a different way of using the phrase in various contexts, highlighting the action taken to rectify the mistake. In many cultures, making amends is not just a social nicety but a necessary step in restoring harmony and balance in relationships. It reflects a person's character and their willingness to take responsibility for their actions. Understanding this cultural aspect can help non-native speakers appreciate the depth and seriousness of this phrase in English communication. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the phrase, to make amends. Remember, making amends is more than just an apology. It's about taking meaningful steps to repair and improve. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. See you in our next video.